Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MLA kepentor umkra ubai alhek haga khat pratre unailur araja apusan uloong bakomnu kipat ba kajala asam kilaban Khang Lynti yaki kali kit nongpang haba kiletcha sumar hakeleng-keleng ki jaka sumar hapo kajala asam bat kumju ru uloong baka Surok ba national highway kadika Surok kabamla kamtrai kumta omdan bala ban Khang ban penon kam haba let Lynti henrei latno tanglada don kijing betha lani don ki kali ki bale phalla kila ban Khang ya kum kita shu uloong bakimla ban Khang ya upat ba ban let Lynti na kawai ka jaka shakawai pat bat ong bakidon ki kali ki bakilayo ya ka permit kilala ban let keleng kari bat kumno anla ban Khang ya kum kita namar kilayo ya ka jingmenjur ban let Lynti keleng halor kani uba hek ulakentu bade banetrei lang kajela Meghalaya bat kajela Assam bat ong balada don kajingekhi kimde ban penwet ia upat ba ula ben rabda ka baong ba lada unu ubabat ia kaan hakakti unsha penchitom kat kum kaan
ayuki bekerjeng kaya kipai ba kibai kenu menagsi dadu mana mesta bubon bah kipai ba kibai lek na buan na po Shillong kibai sa po airport kita kibai sa hospital fair ang ni po Meghalaya dan kibai sa hospital fair station Guwahati po Assam tela bon mahawat ki ambulans sesu ki ambulans ki balahap yang po nongpang bat ambulans taki alai sa bentai lah jusange po Surok tiga beringkong ayam dengan om galong gumni. Wah kadon ki cimbakla na baro na kaliang juk na nung ki Meghalaya gadon ki cimbakla kita tangi ni sutu kata. Gadon ni ki cimbakla pagalong kata gumni pat. Ya kenu ka isu ke mapikwa mapinship. Gadon na Lynti bapinde ya gadon kam. Komenta ya ki bagi blok mandang si kedikan national highway. Ke national highway kedik Surok Jongno. Jongno national Kamde juga state Meghalaya ni kamde juga state juga Assam ni juga state. National highway is the road belong to the national of the country only. Dapat tak beri baro yang national highway. Dapat kat lu ke janjar yang itu ki brio ki bahiyeng basam ki borra ya ki nompang ki patient apo ki ambulans repair. Baket ki nompang muan manfaat berak si kijing sumat. Kalau rak sibur ke jenge ya ki nompang gelawara sibur kejeng ya ki wanlang bagi nompang ru gelawara sibur kejeng te kene sisa kalapun kredit yang aku munong yalam jongga state Meghalaya bat ngaong ru ba kene ni nagaliang kejungi ru gini bersuthu ba ka kai kanu ka kam ga bagi ngitre gimla berbentut yang no pai ba namar ba ngindut mala manu ru ban simi ka an har jong gakti. If anybody taking the law in their own hand, they should be punished as per law. Juga bakwa malam juga Meghalaya kini bersutu bah bakam Meghalaya kini ke transit state. Kami ke landlocked state. Transit state ke bakila penlet nangne na po kiwan na po Guwahati di Assam kila penlet po Silchar kila penlet Nagaland kila penlet Manipur kila penlet sekarang nur ke jaga ke state prepare. Nomor bagani transit state. Kami ke state ke batang batang supaya Meghalaya ngelakut tang Meghalaya. Kan no ngut cu ki dong let no one. Don ki tourist ki bon, don ki balik jingle cela ki jogi yang kisam ki jogi state prepare. Kumno ngila ban block. Ya ki dong let no one ke jongi, habang yi ke state ke jongi ke transit state. Ki jing dewa samne bona Bombay ne bona che lobuk pe kali namta arsi lesngi. Kumno binumsha ai kali demar ka ki tourist permit do ki sutu ba ke dei all India permit tourist taxi ni only Assam permit tourist taxi ni tanga Meghalaya permit tourist taxi habagla don ru balong all India permit tourist taxi kila aban le chero rampo ri India jumi namar bagla yo ya license na beli baro wi ri India yo nun te menta bin ong menta sibo kidon ki tourist ki bon hapo airport Guwahati kila ada book lupa lingba kidu ki badai ki yo kerja booking juki ki agency prepare yang bangi.com namta kali namta license kemudian nomla amancha kita kali benya license hadu gunu state Assam ne ada yang Meghalaya ne Manipur ne Arunachal Pradesh ne ang nuru nomor ba kita ki ba layo ya ka permit kila ada layo ya ka permit jago all India permit got a complaint from the RE hospital they immediately informed me also regarding the ambulances those patients are coming to, or not only to RA hospital, they are going to Apollo hospital, they are going to Health City, they are going to the different hospitals. Why, how they can stop the ambulances and also the patient going from one state to the other state to get the treatment, the medical treatment? How they can stop them? And this road also is not the road belong to any states. It is a national highway road. And nobody has a right, no state has a right to stop any, except if there is any kind of law and order issue, if we have any kind of, the doubtful or anybody who is flying in that vehicle, if you have any doubtful, only we can stop and ask a question and do the inquiry or investigation. But you cannot stop the public from going from one place to another place. Today it's very wrong. There's tourists, so many tourists, those are going from Meghalaya to airport, they're going to railway station, they're going to different destination. How you will stop their vehicle? Public should not be make inconvenient to the public inconvenient. Public should be, that is the fault of the maybe anybody's fault. But we cannot be harass the public. See now the permits of the tourist permit for the vehicle permit of the tourist car, we have a different permit. We have somebody having the All India permission, somebody having the only Assam permission, somebody having only Meghalaya permission. But those who are already been given the All India permission to travel all over the country, how you can stop them because it is already legalized. The permit already been given to them to travel because the All India permit taxi. Yes. My message is we have to work in coordination between the state Assam and Meghalaya. And the Meghalaya and Assam is not the transit, it's not the landlocked state, it's the transit state. People from Assam, from any state, they are coming to Meghalaya, they might go to Silchar, they might go to Manipur, they might go to Nagaland. How we will stop them in between? Because it is a national highway road, a transit state also, it's not the landlocked state.